Good morning, everyone. I'm Vigneshwari, Assistant Professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering from SNS College of Technology. Today, I am going to take a topic on instruction set under the unit 8051 microcontroller. So, we are going to discuss here in detail about the 8051 instruction set. So 8051 instruction set, it resembles the entire assembly code instructions that a microcontroller could execute. So it tells us how they have been effectively used in the programming and understanding the concepts of instruction set for each kind of an operation and how it is being suited in the real world applications. So this instruction set are being divided into five important groups. So data transfer instruction, arithmetic instruction, logical instructions, Boolean or bit manipulation instruction, and program branching instructions. So for a more detailed understanding of those instructions, consider the five categories of instructions as a toolkit. And each toolkit will contain a specific code so that it executes for a specific kind of an operation. Say for example, the data transfer instructions, if we are going to have a data transfer or moving the content, an arithmetic instruction, this is suited for performing arithmetic calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And logical instructions are being used in the concept where we are going to have a bitwise analysis or a data manipulation for a binary level. And then comes with the program control instruction where we are going to have an approach for interruption and also for the program branching or control the sequence of the program. And the bit manipulation instruction is combined together with the logical instruction where we are going to have a bitwise operations. So let us see individual category with an example here. So first comes with the data transfer instruction. So this data transfer instruction contains a specific operation where it instructs the microcontroller to perform a specific task such as moving the data contents between the memories, registers and input-output devices. Right, so example move this instruction, it moves the content from the source to the destination, and XCH is exchange which swaps the content between the two registers, and the same way XCHD, it exchanges the digits between the memory and accumulator. And push and pop instructions have been effectively used in the stack operation where push is used to store the data temporarily on the stack and prop retrieves the data back. Next comes with the arithmetic instruction. So arithmetic instructions is used in the cases where we are going to perform arithmetic operations, and this acts as a foundation in the embedded system. So here example, add a comma byte. This adds the data value with the accumulator. Answer B a comma byte. So here the subtraction operation have been performed with borrow from the accumulator, and mul AB. So this operation, it performs the multiplication between the accumulator and the B register. And DIVAB, this indicates the division with accumulator by the register B. And similar to this arithmetic operation, we also have increment and decrement operation. INC refers for the increment and DEC refers for the decrement of the data byte. And the special category here is the DAA, where it is a decimal adjust accumulator, where the accumulator bits have been adjusted in the case when we are going for the decimal or binary coded decimal addition operation. Next comes with the logical instruction. So as logical instruction is being used for performing the data manipulation at the binary level, or if you are going for the data analysis for the bitwise operations here. Say for example ANL, this performs the bitwise AND operation. ORL, between the destination and the source, it performs the bitwise OR operation, and similarly XORL, between the destination and the source, it performs the exclusive OR operation. Apart from this, there are specific operation related for the accumulator, and those are CLR. This refers to clearing the accumulator content, and CPL will complement the bits in the accumulator, and SWAP. So here the bits are being swapped, nibbles are being swapped here. And also we have RLA, RLCA. This indicates the rotation of left with carry and without carry, and similarly rotation right with carry and without carry for the accumulator. And next comes with the program control instruction, where we are going to say the change in the sequence of the program by means of a branch, a jump, or a calling a subroutine. So yes jump, which refers to short jump, long jump, and jump when it have a carry or without carry, and also for a calling and returning when we have a subroutine command, right? So we have seen for the bit manipulation instruction now. So bit manipulation instruction, this works directly on the individual bits, right? So individual bits, when we have this operation, we can have this between the registers or between the memories. So what are the specific tasks it does is it can clear the bit, or we can set the bit, or we can also complement the specific bit, so that we can have a direct control over the operations. And summary, so data transfer have been used in the purpose where we are going to exchange the content, and we are going to perform arithmetical operations using arithmetic instruction, logical and bit manipulation cases, and then we have a program control instruction for changing the execution flow. So we'll have discussed the assessment questions also in my slide. So kindly go through the slide to have the answers for this assessment question we have been discussed. So these are the reference book which you have to know in-depth concepts of the instruction set. Kindly refer these books. Thank you for watching the instruction set of 8051 microcontroller. Thank you.